Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Today we're making chocolate lava cake. Start with 3 small oven-proof containers and lightly grease with butter. Then sprinkle some sugar in the bottom of each. Spread them around, giving them a tap to coat the bottom. Now in a bowl add 2 eggs, 50 grams of sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk them all together. Add in 100 grams of melted unsalted butter and 100 grams of dark chocolate. Next add in 60 grams of flour and 10 grams of cocoa powder. Pour that equally into your 3 containers and bake in the oven for 11 minutes at 180 degrees. Once ready, you can remove from the container, sprinkle with icing sugar and serve with strawberry and cream. Delicious. Let's make another one, adding the same ingredients as before, and this time 100 grams of white chocolate. Then add 60 grams of all-purpose flour, 20 grams of cake flour and 10 grams of cocoa powder, plus some red food colouring. Pour that into your 3 containers and again bake for 11 minutes at 180 degrees. Remove them from the containers, sprinkle with icing sugar and serve with blueberries.